Over the years, this has been confirmed a promotional based platform and has been paying for over 1 year plus. Now all you have to do is just to promote this platform, and I'm going to be showing you what you need to do in promoting this particular platform. I call this particular platform MiPass. Another format, others call this particular platform Urgent 2K, because when you leverage this platform you should be able to get more than the Urgent 2K they tag this particular platform. Now when you go ahead clicking the first link on the pinned comment section, you're going to be creating an account for yourself, and I'm going to be showing you the process of which you can get your account verified on this platform, because without the verification you can't get the Urgent 2K they tagged this platform. So what I'll be doing right now is to take you to my screen and show you step by step what you need to do and what you need to know about this particular MiPass. Now in exchange, all I want you to do is to please smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify whenever I upload any valuable content like what you're about to watch. And so right now let's get started. Now to get started, you'll be brought to this interface. You just need to allow this and click to enter. Okay, now you need to get started on this platform. Click on get started. Now since you don't have an account, all you have to do is to come right here and click on sign up. Now you can either sign up with your email address or your mobile number. Just click the first one and you're going to be brought into this interface. Okay, so right now all you have to do is to put in your email address right here. So I'm just going to put in mine right here. Okay, so once you have actually done that, the next thing you need to do, you can just go ahead to set your password. Also confirm your password. And now the next thing you want to do is to come right to this up corner and click on code. Now a code will be sent to your email address. Okay, so once that code is being sent to your email address, you just have to copy that code, come back to your account and input that code on this box right here. So before that code needs to be sent, you need to confirm this and create your account. Also check this box that said I have read and agreed to their agreement. So right now what I'm going to do is to log into this particular platform. So I'm going to click on this and I'm going to log into my account so I can show you what you need to do using this particular platform. And we are going to enter our password. So after entering the password, you just need to click on next. So we'll be logged into this platform. So a code has been sent. We need to confirm, verify ourselves. So I just need to go over to my email address. I need to verify, yes, it is me. So we just need to wait, and I'm going to be logged into this account. So I just have to continue. As you can see right now, I'm logging into my account, so I'm going to be explaining to you how this particular platform works and how you can get access in using this particular platform. So as you can see right now, I've been brought to this interface while trying to log in. So I'm just going to do this. I'm going to explain all this to you. Okay, back up. You also need to back up your face. Now during the process of creating your account, there is what is called KYC. You need to verify your account before you can start using this particular platform for your Urgent 2K. Now this particular interface wants you to put in your country and wants you to put in your last name right here. Okay, so right now we are going to put in our last name right here, and we are going to follow the process of this. Now they ask you to put in your first name. Just follow the process of setting your account verification. So right now you can actually see that the first one is the country, the second one is actually my last name, and the third one is actually my name, my first name. And now they ask for gender. So right now they said ID type. You can come right here and select the ID you want to use. We have the national ID card, we have the passport and driver's license. So I'm going to be using my passport for this. So what I'm going to do is to take a picture of my international passport, and I'm going to agree to this, and I'm going to click next. So once I'm done, I'm going to come back to this interface to continue the KYC process. So guys, for me to use my international passport for this, you should know that this is actually 100% legit. So right now I've taken a screenshot of my international passport. I'm going to come down here and click I have read and fully understand privacy policy. So I'm going to click on next. So right now I'm going to put in my ID number right here. I'm going to cover this for security purpose. So I'm going to come down right here and check this box. I have read and fully understood the privacy policy. So I'm going to click on next. So for you to be able to have full access of this platform, you need to do your verification. Okay, if you're having issues on your verification, you can reach out to me using the link on the pinned comment section to reach out to me via the group. As you can see, submitted successfully. Next step is facial recognition. Please read and follow the instruction, which helps you to enhance probability to pass. Okay, so click on next, and you can actually see what they actually want you to do via face verification. To ensure that you get accurate results during the testing process, you are reminded of the following. Make sure the very ID holder is taking the face recognition test. Please do not wear glasses or any accessories that cover your face. Okay, please do not wear hats. Okay, now the next one says please be in well lit environment. Keep your face visible, avoid covering your face, keep your facial expression natural. So all this lies on your face. So I'm going to do the face verification and come back to this particular video. So as you can see right now, I am done with my face verification. As it says, identity state on change verification and me ID generation take approximately 24 hours. Okay, so after 24 hours I should be granted success in my account. And so right now I'm going over to my account. Okay, now guys, I have to wait for my ID to be verified. This takes about 24 hours to 2 weeks maximum. So what I would advise you to do is to register your account now and wait for your account to be verified. Just use the link and set up your account, do your verification, and relax for your ID to be verified. Now after your ID has been verified, the next thing you need to do only on this platform is to invite individuals to this platform. So once you invite individuals to this platform, I'm going to show you in my next video how you can accumulate your urgent 2k. Now if you're quickly in a haste to know more about this particular platform, you can use the link to reach out to me, or you can use the WhatsApp number on the pinned comment section to reach out to me, so I can tell you what you need to do to fasten your earnings on this platform. Reaching out to me will make me tell you what you need to do immediately after your verification to start getting urgent 2k with this particular platform. However, don't forget to set up your account today, as verification process takes longer days. And so thank you for watching this video to this point. I hope you got value from it, and if you did, please do well to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you just watched. See you on my next video and keep winning.